Hey everybody, Rick from Tremor Outdoors. Today we're going to be doing an install of Tuffy products, and it's their console safe number 415. This is going to be really cool. I'm looking forward to this actually. It's going to be nice to have the ability to feel that you can put something in your console and not worry about it getting easily stolen. This comes with either the combination lock or a keyed lock, whichever you choose, whichever option. I've gone with the keyed lock. I prefer that. It looks like it's going to be a little interesting to install. I'm not quite sure how we're going to get it in there, but let's fly at it and see how it goes. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is clean out your console. Already done that. I've taken out the pad. They talk about there being a pad at the bottom. It's just like a heavy gauge felt material. This comes out. You don't need that in there. Disregard all the mess of my wires and stuff from running the lights. We're going to be able to tuck them out of the way, and this is the area that the console is going to drop down into. We're going to go and assemble that right now, and then we'll bring it to drop it in. Okay, so what we're going to do is we folded out the legs on here. There's these little brackets, and they're angled. You'll see when you straighten the legs out that they actually fit a certain way. And we're going to start the screw on this one. Okay, so I'm trying to start the thread on this side, see if it'll work through, because it was being a little fussy on this side. Okay, so it looks like it wants to thread on this side. Okay, there we go. Now that we got it started. Okay, so pro tip, I would recommend threading the screw through this way first and then come at it with the other side because it seems to want to have to bite the threads just like start the screw going in. All right, since we've done a test of putting the plates on the bottom to bring those feet together, what you have to do is you have to insert this first, then lift it up, then extend the legs, then put those plates on. So let's try that. All right, lift that up. Okay. There we go. I see. So this tucks right up under here. Okay, gotcha. There is USB-C plugs here because there's two USB-C ports on the top there. Okay. Which I think is going to actually be pretty handy. There's one. There's two. Okay. Okay. Now, you are going to be doing a little bit of stuff by braille here. And I'm gonna have to block my camera. Sorry, folks. Yeah, that's right. And that's right. Okay. So these ones are going to be not too difficult. The ones back in there are going to be a bit more. You're going to need a couple different wrist joints to do it. All right, so that's got that installed. We've got the keys for it here. Opens up your safe. Put all your stuff in there. Close this up. Turn the key, and it's locked. This is not coming out of here, folks. It's actually using the mechanics of being wedged up against this lip up in here and under the lip under here. So you would have to be using a pry bar to pull this up. It's very secure. I feel very comfortable using it. I think that it's a great little addition to the truck. And yeah, it's super convenient. I like it a lot. Put your cell phone in there if you're going to leave your phone, or your wallet if you needed to. But you're good. Okay, so that gets the center console locker installed. I like it. I think it's a really cool device. So there's a couple of things that I'm going to recommend that you do. First of all, when you first break it out of the box, take those little screws and screw them into those legs that fold out. That way, when you are going to put the screws in, you've already created the threading that's needed. So you're going to have an easier time tightening those screws. The other thing too is, take the time to do a dry fit. You're going to take that safe when it's folded up and angle it in, and then lift it up. That's when you drop the legs out, and that's when you're going to do the actual installing of those cross members inside. So awesome product. Thank you very much, Tuffy Products. Really appreciate it. That's going to be a helpful thing to have in the truck. Check them out at tuffyproducts.com. And we will catch you on the next one.